Hi friends, let's do a fun food color activity together. This is a strawberry. It's red. Which bowl should the red strawberry go in? Yes, the red bowl. Nice matching. This banana is yellow. Can you find the yellow bowl? There it is. You got it. This donut is blue. It's a treat. Where should it go? Yes, in the blue bowl. Well done. Here's another red food. It's a pepper. Does it go in the red bowl too? Yes, it does. This corn is yellow. Where should we put this? Yes, the yellow bowl. Great matching. How about this blue ice cream cone? It's another yummy treat. Where does it go? Yes, the blue bowl. Well done. Nice sorting, friends. We matched red, yellow, and blue. Now let's match 3 more colors. Green, orange, and purple. This pair is green. Which bowl matches green? Yes, you got it. This is an orange. Can you find its match? Yes, the orange bowl, of course. These grapes are purple. Where should the purple grapes go? Right here in the purple bowl. This is a green pepper. Do you know where it goes? In the green bowl. This carrot is orange. Let's match it. The orange bowl. Well done. This eggplant is purple. Where should we put it? Yes, in the purple bowl. You matched all the colors so nicely. Now let's make some plates together. We'll start with our strawberry. Let's cut it up and make a fruit plate together. Next is our yellow banana. We'll cut it in half and add it to our fruit plate. Our green pear is next. We'll cut this as well. In you go, green pear. Our orange is next, and it is the color orange, of course. Oh, come back here, orange. You belong in our fruit plate. And last, we have our purple grapes. Let's cut this in half and add it to our fruit plate. That looks delicious. Now let's cut our vegetables. We'll start with a red pepper. Add it to our plate. Next is our yellow corn. Let's cut this in half. In you go, corn. Next is our green pepper. Cut in half. Look at those seeds. We'll add it to our vegetable plate. Our orange carrot is next. Let's cut it and add it to our vegetable plate. And our last vegetable is our purple eggplant. Let's cut it and add it to our plate. Now we have a plate full of vegetables. So pretty. But something's missing. Dessert! Let's bring in our treats. Blue ice cream cone and blue donut. That was so much fun sorting colors with our fruits and vegetables and yummy treats. Let's do it again.